Mateo with YouTube Creator AI. I just want to show you the after of what I did for a production for a video using my video builder here. You can come here and put in a topic. If you already have a topic, you can just put a topic and select it, or you can use the topic scout to find a topic. That's what I did previously. Or you can choose an evergreen idea. The topic scout is going to be more trending topics. And then we're an audience persona, put in your channel niche and kind of get an idea what your audience is looking for. And once you get a topic, so I use this topic here. It's a Travis Kelce signed his 1-year contract extension with the Chiefs. And I didn't run a hook or a script because I do voiceover or an outline. I run a full script, so I do voiceover video. So this is what the prompt I gave. I did a full video that's going to be about 2.5 minutes, storytelling. So it wrote the script here, gave us a visual reference. Here's the script. So it gives us the full script here. And then what I did was I saved and synced it to our voice lab. And then
a new chapter unfolds for one of the world's most talked about couples. Travis Kelce just extended his reign with the Chiefs, igniting a fresh wave of anticipation. But with a rumored June 13th, 2026 wedding date, the question echoes, where will this power duo truly call home? A new chapter unfolds.
So what happens, you can put in your script, it'll segment it, and then you can run these one at a time, just so you make sure they sound right, and then you can load them. So there was 7 segments here. I ran all those. Since I do voiceover, I didn't do a visual director. If you're on camera, this would be a good thing to run. Then I ran all my titles. So I just put in that full prompt, and it gave me 5 titles here that give us, a strategic tip, a competitive analysis. This one would be kind of like if you were a vlogger, a different type of style. So it gives us 5 titles. I put that same prompt, gave me my description here. If you're signed in, you could add your social links. Gave me all my keywords, suggested file name. I ran a visual concept and a thumbnail. This is an estimated thumbnail. I'm not using this for my video, but this is kind of an anime thumbnail. You can run some community posts or content expansion or some A/B test ideas for titles, things like that. I didn't run these for this particular video. And then once you're done with this, you have everything in your full production brief here. So this is all the titles, all the descriptions, everything that you ran. Once you have that, you can just export this. And this saves on your computer as your local notes. And then you can just simply copy what title you want, copy the keywords and the description right into your YouTube video. And then the cool thing we added here now is a video builder. So once you have your the script and everything done, you can just import the script. It'll load the script here. And the only thing you're gonna have to do is build like the media segment. So I still had to find these segments on, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube and add them here. But we have a voiceover, you have your voiceover downloads that you can add per segment. We have some background music that you can add as well. And then any sort of sound effects. And then once the video's done, this is going to...
A new chapter unfolds for one of the world's most talked about couples. Travis Kelce just...
A little bit glitchy, just because how it's set up. But once you get... once you're done with the video, you can download and export that. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll get an email when it's ready. And then I uploaded this video. It's on YouTube
for one of
now.
The world's most talked about couples. Travis Kelce just extended his reign with the Chiefs, igniting a fresh wave of anticipation.
So check it out. This is the after of the video. So you can come in here and try your topics, build your full video package. Then if you do have to have the voiceovers, and if you want to use the video builder, you can do that as well. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free for now. To use the video builder, you will have to get a login, but all you need is put in your email.